someone who loves you in your worst and at your best. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi ka kailangan magpadali in relationship. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na, porket yung mga friends mo, lahat sila may relationship, ikaw wala, feeling mo you're missing out. Because you're not. Because God loves you so much, He prepared something for you. Someone for you. And He already wrote your love story. But sometimes, because we are imperfect, because we are, nagmamadali tayo, jump into our relationship agad, siya na Lord. Siya na talaga Lord. Grade 6 pa lang, classmates na kami. Feeling ko siya na talaga, magkatabi pa kami. What's our big point? Meron pa bang forever? Meron pa bang forever? The answer is this. God is forever attracted to us. God is forever attracted to you, to you, to you, to you. And what does that mean? That He's so crazy for you. He's so in love with you. And alam mo ba, the apple of the eye ni God? Ano ibig sabihin na hindi mo kailangan magpadali in relationship? Girls, be secure na kahit walang nagmamahal sa inyo ngayon, it doesn't matter because God, someone loves you so crazy enough that He planned your marriage ahead of you. Nakilala na niya kung sino yung mapapangasawa. Boys, don't be insecure. Yung mga boys na yung lahat ka ng relationship, what's the reason? Para lang maging in ka, para lang maging cool ka. What's the real reason why you're courting someone? Because yung mga girls, they are precious. Okay, huwag nyo sila sasaktan. Mga boys naman, be secure. Be secure in the love of God. God is attracted to us forever. Let me just stand.